how to delete your DVLA account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your gov.uk, and then here make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So in here, if you simply tap on the menu bar right here, I'm pretty sure you'll actually be able to get into the login to your account option. Tap on that one, and then you'll be able to successfully log into your account. And then from there, you can access your profile settings. You can navigate to your DVLA online services dashboard. Then from there, you'll need to select your account settings. Then you'll need to select close account or unregistered services. Simply opt out and delete. Then from there, you can simply contact the DVLA. From there, you'll need to, of course, like submit an online inquiry, or like I said, contact the DVLA driver and vehicle customer services to confirm data deletion under the UK GDPR. And after talking to them, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to delete your DVLA account step by step. So yeah, that is it.